Hey adventurers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the channel where we bring you the best tips, gear reviews, and upgrades for your off-road journey. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best budget winches for Jeep. Whether you're stuck in the mud, climbing steep trails, or towing heavy loads, these winches will keep your Jeep ready for any adventure without draining your wallet. Stay tuned till the end because we'll break down each winch's performance, pros, and cons so you know exactly which one suits your ride. Number 5. CXRCY Electric Winch. The CXRCY 13,500-pound electric winch is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on pulling power. With its synthetic rope, wireless remote, and wired handle, this winch provides both convenience and strength for Jeep recovery situations. Its robust motor ensures smooth pulling even when tackling muddy trails, steep inclines, or towing heavy loads. Jeep owners appreciate its lightweight design thanks to the synthetic rope, which also improves safety compared to steel cables. The wireless remote adds freedom of movement during solo recovery, while the wired handle offers a backup option when precision is required. Customers note its solid build quality and reliable performance for weekend off-road adventures. For those seeking a strong, easy-to-use, and affordable winch, the CXRCY 13,500-pound is an excellent choice in the budget category. Number 4. Rugcel Waterproof Electric Winch. The Rugcel 3,500-pound electric winch is a powerhouse built for Jeep owners who demand maximum strength without breaking the bank. Featuring a steel rope with roller fairlead, this winch is engineered to handle the toughest recovery situations. Its waterproof construction ensures durability in rain, mud, or snowy trails, making it ideal for all-season adventures. Users highlight its quick response motor and reliable torque, even under heavy load conditions. The wired handle offers solid control, while the 2 infrared remotes add flexibility for solo operations. The steel rope provides exceptional durability, but does require gloves and adds weight compared to synthetic options. This winch is particularly praised for its consistent pulling performance, making it a solid choice for Jeep Wranglers, ATVs, and trucks facing extreme off-road conditions. Number 3. ZESUPER Electric Winch Kit. The ZESUPER 13,000-pound winch stands out for its IP68 waterproof rating, making it highly reliable in extreme weather conditions. Equipped with a synthetic rope and both wireless and corded controls, this winch gives Jeep owners flexibility and safety during off-road recoveries. The Haas fairlead and hook are built to last, ensuring smooth rope management and secure towing. Jeep enthusiasts highlight its fast line speed and efficient cooling system, which prevents overheating during longer pulls. The synthetic rope makes it lightweight yet strong, reducing strain during manual handling. Users particularly love the dual remote system, as it allows for quick adjustments whether you're operating alone or with a spotter. For its price, the ZESUPER delivers exceptional power, safety, and convenience, making it one of the most reliable winches for Jeeps, SUVs, and trucks. Number 2. VEVOR Electric Winch. The Vivore 12,000-pound electric winch is a tough competitor in the budget category, offering 85 feet of steel cable and a powerful 12-volt motor. This winch is built for heavy-duty recovery jobs, making it a reliable option for Jeep owners tackling rough terrains or towing heavier rigs. The included wireless remote control ensures safe operation, while the steel cable adds extra durability compared to synthetic ropes. Users appreciate its consistent pulling power, even in muddy or rocky conditions. The motor engages quickly, delivering reliable torque to free your Jeep when stuck. Its affordable price point combined with dependable performance has made it a popular choice among Jeep enthusiasts who don't want to overspend. However, the steel cable does add extra weight and requires gloves for safe handling. Number 1. Orcish Electric Winch. The Orcish 13,000-pound winch is designed for serious Jeep owners who want high pulling power at a budget-friendly price. With its synthetic rope and IP67 waterproof rating, this winch is ready for rugged outdoor use in mud, rain, or snow. The 13,000-pound capacity makes it suitable for Wranglers, trucks, and trailers. Many users highlight the multi-function wireless remote as a standout feature, offering flexibility when operating solo on the trail. Performance-wise, the Orcish winch runs smoothly even under heavy load, thanks to its efficient 12 volts motor. The synthetic rope provides strength without the weight of steel, making it safer and easier to handle. Jeep enthusiasts particularly love its balance of power, safety, and affordability, making it one of the best choices for weekend off-roaders. And that wraps up our list of the best budget winches for Jeep. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our off-road gear guides. Drop a comment below and let us know which winch you'd pick for your Jeep. We love hearing from fellow adventurers. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and remember, every Jeep deserves an adventure.